Hey there! Are you feeling overwhelmed with bad credit and don't know where to start? Don't worry, we got your back. Welcome to our channel, where we help you improve your financial health one step at a time. Today, we'll be sharing 7 easy steps to fix your credit and boost your financial confidence. So buckle up and get ready to embark on a journey towards a brighter financial future. Whether you've had some bumps in the road or just want to get your credit score a little TLC, we got the perfect recipe for success. Stay tuned as we dive into these actionable tips that can help you turn your credit score around in no time. Alright, let's kick things off with step 1, checking your credit score and report. Your credit report is a detailed record of your credit history, and it's essential to review it regularly. You have one credit report at each of the 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Some creditors report to all 3, while others may only report to 1 or 2. So make sure to check all 3 reports. You can access a free credit report from each bureau once every 12 months at annualcreditreport.com. During times of economic uncertainty, they may even offer free weekly reports. It's calculated based on the information in your credit report, and it's crucial to keep an eye on it. Many credit scoring websites and credit card providers offer free credit score checks. Don't worry, checking your own score is considered a soft credit inquiry, which won't hurt your credit. We recommend checking your score once per month to stay on top of any changes. Step 2 is all about making sure your credit report is accurate. Believe it or not, credit bureaus can make mistakes. A study by the Federal Trade Commission found that 1/4 of people had errors on their credit report, and 5% had errors that could have made getting a loan more costly. So it's essential to go through your credit report with a fine-tooth comb to identify any discrepancies or mistakes. If you find any, don't panic. Disputing errors is a relatively simple process. Contact the credit bureau that has the error on your report and provide them with documentation to support your dispute. If the error is genuine, they will remove it from your report, which can help improve your credit score. Moving on to step 3, consistently paying your bills on time. Your payment history is a significant factor in your credit score, accounting for 35% of it. To improve your credit, it's essential to establish a track record of punctual payments. One simple hack to help you achieve this is to set up autopay for your bills. Autopay ensures your bills are paid automatically each month, reducing the chances of missing a payment. For bills that don't allow autopay, like one-off medical expenses, pay them as soon as you receive them. If you're unable to pay the entire amount, contact the office to work out a payment plan. If you're worried about overdrawing your account, consider setting up a budget to track your expenses or schedule your autopay to align with your paydays. This way, you can ensure you have enough funds in your account when it's time to pay your bills. Step 4 is all about managing your credit utilization ratio. This ratio compares your credit card balances to your overall credit card limit, and it's an important factor that lenders use to evaluate your financial health. Aim for a credit utilization ratio between 0% and 30%. This is generally considered a good range. Let's break down an example to understand how this works. Imagine you have 2 credit cards, each with a limit of $2,000, and you have an unpaid balance of $500 on one card. To calculate your credit utilization ratio, first, add up your total debt owed, in this case, $500. Now, divide your total debt by your total credit limit and multiply by 100 to get your credit utilization ratio as a percentage. In this example, you'd have a 12.5% credit utilization ratio. Step 5 is all about paying down your other debts. Reducing outstanding debts can improve your payment history and lower your credit utilization ratio, both of which can boost your credit score. When tackling credit card debt, consider the debt avalanche or snowball method. The debt avalanche method targets high-interest cards first, while the snowball method focuses on repaying the smallest balances first. Evaluate both strategies to determine which one works best for your situation. When repaying loan debt, be aware that you might see a temporary dip in your credit score.